Welcome to Carolina Auto Sales, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with many standard and optional features,
and much more.
Since 1993, family-owned Carolina Auto Sales has been providing high-quality vehicles along with extraordinary customer service to all of our friends and neighbors. We are proud to call ourselves Myrtle Beach's best buy here, pay here dealer. Honesty is our #1 priority because we truly care about our customers. So stop by today and experience Carolina Auto Sales for yourself.